Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. Gabions. The basics. Gabions are metal cages or boxes filled with rocks or other usually earthen materials, often used as retaining walls or other outdoor walls. The cages are most commonly made of stainless, galvanized or powder-coated steel mesh panels, wired together using spiral binders or ring fasteners in the shape of a rectangle. Due to a gable's weight, frictional strength and ability to conform to the ground contours, it doesn't require a foundation. Cons. Bulk. A gabion wall, planter, etc. takes up a lot of space due to its girth. It may not be suited for a small garden, where its proportions can overwhelm a space. Pros. Ease of installation. Due to its ability to conform to the ground's contours once filled, a gabion wall can yield to changes in soil conditions or earth movement, making a foundation unnecessary. Site preparation is minimal, beyond clearing the ground of plants and debris and making sure the ground is level where the wall is to be placed. Longevity. A major contributor to longevity is the gabion's high permeability. Water can pass through the voids between the rock, eliminating the build-up of hydrostatic pressure and reducing the potential for shifting or wrapping over time. Also, the inherent strength of materials that won't corrode over time makes gabion walls built to last. Wildlife habitat. Small critters can take up residence in space between the rock fill. However, depending on your outlook, this can be a positive. Special considerations. When choosing the filter for a gabion retaining wall, it's important to make sure the material is large enough to be held inside the cage, usually 3 inches in diameter or more. Ideas using stones in garden landscaping. The landscape with rocks is very decorative and popular with many gardeners. Maybe you do not want to create an actual rock garden, but you like the idea of combining the stone with plants and other elements in your garden to frame and structure the space in a way that appeals to you. Larger stones are also used in garden design. You can consider using these decoratively or as a building material. Large rocks are very interesting when they have an asymmetrical shape. You can also use stones of small and medium sizes and combine them to create a stylish look. Gravel, rocks, and other small stones can all be used to decorate the garden. Pebbles are not only a great way to create garden paths, but also to remove the pesky weeds. They also won't interfere with trees and bushes. If you want to build a garden fontaine, stream or pond, then you will need a pond liner and gravel. Polished stones or black ones can also look very attractive. Moss, thyme and other floor coverings between the two will be great. The stones work perfectly in combination with different colors and sizes. A stone wall is a popular supplement and looks more natural. If you want to complete the beautiful design of the garden with stones, you can also use a bench of stone figures. Retaining wall. The advanced landscaper is inclined to regard the retaining wall as a kind of engineering masterwork, an invaluable tool for crafting an outdoor space with optimum beauty and enjoyment in mind. Designed for preventing soil and plant life from escaping or overrunning elevated terrace, retaining walls serve a dual purpose: containment and refinement. And thanks to today's style-savvy array of retaining walls ideas, you can shape your environment to suit your personal tastes and outdoor needs alike. More than just a casual necessity, a retaining wall is your chance to construct and enhance your outdoor panorama. In the end, no detail is too insignificant when it comes to curating your own personal Eden. Your front and back lawns are extensions of your home and/or work, and often leaves the first and final impression. All the more reasons to invest a little extra time and effort into elevating it into one worth remembering, right? Practical but undeniable attractive, retaining walls maintain the vista's natural elements while cleverly solving some of the most common landscaping issues. An expert retaining wall not only controls but creates unique new planting opportunities that only a multi-level landscaping can offer. These garden design ideas are key to creating a scheme you'll love for years to come. Whether you're looking for garden landscaping ideas to overhaul your outdoor space or more tailored garden design inspirations such as garden furniture, paving, lights, plants, borders, decking, and more, we've compiled some fabulous garden ideas to help you transform your back garden. Whether it's big or small, it'll help to boost your property value too. But before you proceed with any redesigns or updates, take a look at your garden as a whole. Find out as much as you can about the garden's position, directions, and outlook. Not only will this affect planting, it can dictate how you use your space. Whether it's a small garden, long and narrow garden, cottage garden, or courtyard garden, you should observe where and at what times of day different parts of the garden get light and sun. Think about access and what you want to use your garden for. Planting and growing work, sunbathing, eating al fresco, or simply sitting down to enjoy a cup of tea on sunny morning. Answer these questions and you'll have a clear idea of exactly how you want your garden to work for you. We hope these ideas will give you some inspiration.